Welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. I know it's been a wild ride for crypto and all of us damn degens. And more importantly, Shiba Inu is no exception to that. So I want you guys to stick around, make sure you're subscribed, and we're going to uncover SHIB's latest developments. I want to kind of talk about some of the price predictions that I see and what it means in your portfolio. So we'll break down SHIB's most recent performance, explore any exciting new developments I found over the past 2 days, and we're going to go over what Lapdog's game is and what relevance that has to do with SHIB. And more importantly, I want to reveal what January 2025 hopefully should have in store for us in this popular meme token. Before we dive in, hit that like button for me, click that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all things crypto and not miss on this bull run. First, let's do chart analysis. I'm going to do it quick because we've been doing it on the live every day. So more importantly here, let's do it on the channel today. What we see is a channel for BTC. It was a down channel, but it looks like we might have broken that just yesterday. If we can see this, you guys, we have now created a new support and this new trend line is moving up, but we don't know if this drop today is a longer term drop or just a quick drop. But let's look at SHIB. What did SHIB do and react to as Bitcoin did all this, right? We did see in the past couple of days, we did see SHIB take a big dive, right? We took about a 17% hit. And that 17% hit took 2 days. But is it reloading for a new long-term shot up? And here's why I can actually ask that question. We've created this fat support here. And we've tapped it here, here, and here. And it's looking like it's going to chase back to here. Or maybe even up to here. And if it does, even if we don't get a run up on BTC, if it does do this, 6% for that one, and roughly an 18% for that one. And if you want to be smart about it, you should use BTCC. And the reason I really like it is because you guys were able to long SHIB at a 50x leverage, right? So if you 50x leverage SHIB and it goes up by 10%, which we can see, you guys, SHIB does it every freaking day. It's literally one of my favorite tokens to try to trade. 18% in 4 days. So in 4 days, you've 100% taken a 10% up in that window, right? Many long position opportunities were available. We saw the previous support, so fine, 10% times the 50x. If it goes up 10%, your margin's $100 on it, okay? And the $100 is 50x'd on that position. Your win is going to be 5xing. So in those 4 days, if you had a $1,000 margin play, that is a $5,000 profit. If you had a $100 margin play, that's still a $500 profit in 4 days. If you do that 4 times a month, that's a $2,000 easy a month salary with a very small risk and a big reward. That's the smartest way to trade to your advantage. Now, let's look at some of these fundamentals. I've got them all written down. I've got all the data broken down. And I want to show you guys the news that technically is starting to drive SHIB's long-term potentials. So Satoshi Kusama, who is a lead developer, you guys, of the Shiba Inu project, has recently announced a major new development in the release of Lapdogs. Lapdogs is going to be a Web3 gaming initiative. Why do you think they're getting into this? Because gaming is actually a big deal in crypto, specifically as it creates utility and for something to basically take people's consistent attention. Kusama called this release another victory for the Web3 gaming industry, and it's clear that SHIB's ecosystem is looking to keep expanding beyond just a simple meme coin. Now, Web3 gaming is a rapidly growing market. It has not slowed down the past couple of years. New games are popping, and they create large market caps. And I think Lapdogs is aiming to position SHIB as a serious player in this space. Now, if the game does succeed in attracting gamers and developers, it could add significant value to the SHIB ecosystem, right? And with that value comes a higher price target, right? These developments does show me that their team is committed to evolving SHIB's use case. And the more they can do that, that's going to play a big role in their future price movements. Now, my January 2025 price prediction, right? And I've been thinking about this because I do believe from even what we saw in those supports, we could maybe make it back up to the 4.004 cent mark. Right now, we're not shooting for $1. We're not shooting for $5. We are stating that we could get that type of gains. And the only reason I could see it in January is it all depends on Trump's move. if they become very, very pro crypto and quickly launch laws and regulations that help, I do see a chance that we could easily get back to some of those numbers. And that's about 110% increase from right now. Now, the average price prediction for January right now is sitting at 0.00002,564, while the lower end range is roughly at 0.0001999. Now, for the year, CoinDex is giving an estimation of an average price of 0.0003609, and that does represent, technically, if it works out, 327% return on our investment. And this is another way to think of long-term trading. Right now, these numbers are promising, but they do hinge on some several factors. A, including SHIB's adoption, market conditions, and then the success of initiatives like Lapdogs. And with the crypto market that's consistently evolving, these predictions are going to offer hope, but they do require some cautious optimism. So the question is, will SHIB bounce back in January 2025, or is it going to continue on another downtrend? Only time is going to tell us. And of course, do your research on some of these apps. See what you guys think of Lapdogs and let me know in the comments below. I also want to know, what's your prediction for SHIB in 2025? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto insight and to stay ahead of the bull run. Till our next SHIB video. Peace. Or till next time. Peace.